Good afternoon, all of you. Switch on your video. In the last class, we have studied about the calyx and corolla, right? Calyx in that unit sepal, corolla unit petals. Now we are going to study about that estivation, right? Estivation in flower. What is it? You know that when we call a calyx or corolla, so in that number of sepals or petals are present. Suppose five sepals are there, five petals are there. These all five sepals or five petals, they are arranged in a which manner? They are arranged in a which manner? Like five sepals are there, they are arranged just along the margin कि एक sepal है, फिर ये दूसरा sepal है, third sepal, fourth sepal, fifth sepal. So they just along the margin or overlap to each other. What type of pattern is there? That we are going to study, and that thing we can easily studied in flower when flower in a bud condition, right? Flower doesn't become mature when flower remains in a bud condition, means flowers in a closed condition. When this flower become mature, it will open, right? So floral bud, in that we can easily study how the sepals and petals are arranged, that we call the estivation. One by one, total five types are there. We will see each and every type of estivation. First type of estivation, that we call valvate estivation. First type of estivation known as what? Valvate estivation. In that, see, for all considering to understand easily that five sepals or five petals are there. In that, this one is the first sepal, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one, right? अरे हमने कल सेपल्स देखे थे लाइक रोज में ग्रीनिश कलर लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दे आर अरेंज लाइक दिस सो दैट अरेंजमेंट लाइक व्हाट दिस इज द वन सेपल इसका मार्जिन यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ नेक्स्ट सेकेंड सेपल फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट देन थर्ड फोर्थ and the fifth, they arrange along their margin. They arrange along their margin. So this type of estivation, they just touch one another at the margin. That we call valvate type of estivation. This is a very important topic. Okay, 3 marks के लिए. 3 marks, sometimes even for 5 marks. So valvate estivation, either sepals are arranged in this way or else petals are arranged in this way, right? When they arrange in this manner, when they just touch one another, that we call valvate estivation. This condition, first sepal, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? They all are arranged in a single wall. Single wall meaning what? When we make a dotted line, right? All comes under one circle. All forms a one circle only. So that we call a one wall, right? Next thing, when sepals are fused, that condition we called gamosepalous. And when sepals are free, we called polysepalous. So if these sepals are free from each other, never touch to each other, so we should draw in this manner only. 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the fifth one, right? Next thing, if they are fused, Then gamosepalous condition we can exhibit by diagram in this manner. Just margins we have to show the attachment, right? This thing shows this type of structure that shows the attachment between the two adjacent sepals or petals. So this valvate type of estivation we can observe in both either sepals or petals. One of the example that calotropis. Now see this picture over here, calotropis. Calotropis, okay, Gujarati we call akado. Commonly available plant actually this one. Can you make out over here? Sepals नहीं दिख रहे, petals clear है. Colorful petals 5. Right? This is the first petal, then second petal, third petal, fourth, and the fifth. Just margin से they are attached with each other. Yes or no? दिख रहा है? So this type of estivation, see open flower में भी दिखता है, but if you want to understand perfectly the estivation, we have to study it in a bird condition. Okay, यहाँ पे bird पे in bird you can't able to see each and type of every estivation. So that's why I am showing you the open flower. ये calotropis में clear होता है in open flower also, right? So this one we call valvate estivation. If we see the arrangement of sepals or petal like this, we call the valvate estivation. Now the second type of estivation that we call twisted. This one we call the twisted type of estivation. In that, if you can make out clearly over here that we start from here like this, one sepal or consider one petal. तो इसका एक एंड देखो पेटल का बाहर है, one end is inner. Same for the other one. One end is outer, other end is inner. One end is outer, other end is inner. Meaning what? This end of sepal or petal is overlapped by the another member, right? In other terms, I can say that this sepal or petal is overlapping to the other one, adjacent one, right? In that two ends are there. If you can make out over here, two ends are there. This end, okay, this one, suppose we consider this one petal. So one end is overlapped to the other one and other end is overlapping, right? Overlapped and overlapping. So this type of arrangement, when we make a diagram, one sepal like this, then this, third, fourth, and the fifth. In each sepal and petal, if you make out, one end is outer, other end is inner. Outer, inner. This one we call outer, inner. Outer, inner. Outer, inner. Twisted like structure. Twisting like structure. That's why this type of estivation we call twisted estivation. Clear hai? Twisted estivation. One end of the sepal is overlapped, other end is overlapping. This type of overlapping pattern, twisting pattern forms estivation that we call twisted estivation. Right? Now the third thing that we call imbricate estivation. Third we call imbricate estivation. Imbricate estivation in that. Can you make out over here out of this 5 sepal? Can you tell me this one we consider what? both hands inner, both hands outer, or one inner outer, or along the margin? Can anyone tell me? बोलो कीर्तन.
मैम बोथ इनर.
Yes, both ends are inner. ये देखो ये इसको कवर करता है. So their ends become inner. If you can make out over here, this one, both ends are outer, right? And remaining three, see, one end is inner, other end is outer. One end is inner, other one is outer. Same for this one. Like a twisting में भी यही था, one inner, one outer, right? So here we call one type of condition that 1 plus 1 plus 3, meaning what? One outer, one inner, and 3 are twisted. One outer, one inner, and remaining 3 are twisted. Right? This one we call, if sepals or petals arrange in this manner, so we use that term, they are imbricate, they show imbricate estivation. First we revise. First valvate, right? Valvate just along the margin. Next twisted hai, then one end outer, one end inner, like this. Imbricate hai, one completely outer, then make one twisted like, then one completely inner, and then make a twisted like. Now, next type of estivation that we call quincuncial type of estivation. Fourth one we called quincuncial type of estivation. Right? Now, this is a special type of imbricate estivation. Imbricate के जैसा ही है इसमें भी, but it's a special type. Imbricate में भी क्या था? Outer, inner, and twisted. See, can you tell me this one we consider outer or inner? Jia?
Ma'am, outer.
Correct. Next, can anyone tell me this one we consider which type of sepal or petal? Maitri?
Inner.
Correct. Next, can anyone tell me this one we consider? Arpita?
Twisted.
हाँ बोलो.
Twisted.
ट्विस्टेड कहाँ से हुआ? आपको ये दोनों एंड्स. हाँ, गुड. नेक्स्ट, कैन एनीवन टेल मी दिस वन? जेल? हाँ, जेल स्पीक लाउडली. क्या बोल रहे हो? कीर्तन?
मैम इनर.
इनर, करेक्ट. एंड साक्षी आप बताओ, दिस वन लास्ट.
Ma'am, twisted.
Correct. In which manner? Twisted manner, right? So here we call this one is outer, this one is outer, two outer. This one is inner, this one is inner, two inner, and only one is twisted. So same, outer plus inner plus twisted, like a imbricate, but number of components are different: two outer, two inner, and one twisted. That's why we call it the special type of imbricate estivation. That name is quincuncial estivation. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first four in that, remember the name, right? First name valvate. Simply valvate estivation आपके mind में clear होना चाहिए. Just along the margin. Sepals or petals arrange along the margin. Next, twisted. Twisted, for that, understand one end outer, other end is inner, overlapping pattern. Then, imbricate. Imbricate in that 1 plus 1 plus 3, one outer, one inner, 3 twisted. Quincuncial, 2 plus 2 plus 1 condition, 2 outer, 2 inner, 1 twisted. These four type of aspiration that we can observe in sepals or petals, right? Sepals में भी मिल सकता है, petals में भी. But the last one that we call vexillary type of aspiration. Last one that we call vexillary type of aspiration, that only seen in case of corolla. ये कैलिक्स में नहीं मिलता है. This one we can able to see in calyx, but only we can observe in case of corolla. Remember, ये mainly corolla of which plants? You know, legumes. And legumes की जो family है, remember now onwards name Fabaceae. So at the end, when we study the Fabaceae family, in that this line is given in corolla vexillary aestivation. So at that time, you should understand what is vexillary, right? Legume pulses family we call Fabaceae. Estivation that observe in case of this corolla of flower, legume flower is called vexillary. Now, over here, if you can make out, total 5 petals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. Arrangement is different compared to the previous 4. In this, 1 is the largest petal. 1 largest petal, right? In that, further 2 lateral petals are there, sides there. And inner to that lateral petals, inner to that lateral petals, 2 small petals are there. Smallest of these 5, smallest petals are there, and they are united like this. Right? Petals arrangement like this. 1 is the largest. Inside that 2 lateral petals, and inside 2 lateral, this 2 smallest petals are there. Now, largest petal, this one we called vexillum. Note down. Largest petal known as the vexillum, or we call standard. Vexillum or standard. Then next, lateral petals that we call alae or wings. It's a wing-like structure, so we call wings. And the third one, this one, which are the smallest, right? That we call keel. Largest petal we call standard or vexillum. Lateral petals we call alae or wings. And smallest petal that we call keel. Clear all of you? Now, next thing that we are going to understand, which one is the anterior petal and which one is the posterior one. Yesterday, Gia एक flower के ये blue color के flower के बारे में बोलती. Then I have shown that pea flower, bluish color flower. In that you observe this thing. Outermost one petal is largest, फिर उसके अंदर sides से 2 petal, and then inside that 2 smallest, right? So can you tell me, ये A petal है and this one is B, right? Smallest. Which one is anterior? बोलो कीर्तन.
Ma'am, B.
B. Okay. Dia.
Ma'am, A.
A. Sakshi,
B.
Zil,
A.
Arpita,
B.
Shubh,
मैम बी.
वीडियो ऑन करना. चलिए. Now, how can you judge this thing? This one is anterior, this one is posterior, right? Now, when we make a flower, so in that, this is the largest petal in this. Then over here, two lateral petals are there. And inside that over here, two smallest petals are there, right? So आपके पास flower है. ये is, this is the flower view, okay, which you can observe. Now, first, which petal you can able to see entirely? First, which petals that you can able to see entirely? Entire petals, which? Keel, LA or standard? Which one? बोलो मैत्री. Maitri, which one?
Standard.
Standard. Okay. Jia,
Ma'am, Keel.
Keel. Correct. आप पहले देखो, ये कील जो है, कील के पीछे ये दो है. Behind, on the behind of this keel, these two LA petals are there. And LA के भी behind में क्या है? Large petal which cover this LA. Right? You have to make an observation like this. So first petal that you can clearly observe, that is the keel. So this one become anterior. This keel become anterior. Once we remove the keel, then you can clearly observe this LA. And LA को भी remove कर दो, then you can clearly observe this standard, entire standard. So that's why we call this standard is a posterior petal and keels small are a anterior according to position, right? So these are the 5 types of estivation. Tell me, first type of estivation, बोलो जिल क्या है?
मैम मेरे को फिफ्थ वाले में एक डाउट था कि वो अगर यूनाइट है तो वो वन ही नहीं कहलाएगा, मतलब तीन ही.
No. Here the जो arrangement है, arrangement of the petals are different, right? Last two are united. Remember, last two, this are united, but still compared to this, they are small. And when we compare with this standard LA, which standard and LA, they are the polypetalous. Though the keels are united, this type of flowers are comes under polypetalous. This type of flowers are comes under polypetalous. Though the keels are attached. Okay. बोलिए जिया.
Ma'am, I was not having the doubt.
You have raised your hand. Okay, चलो. बोल दो
Ma'am,
जिया
वो
भी.
तो
First,
answer
what
के
is
लिए.
the what is the first type of estivation?
Ma'am, valvate estivation.
Valvate. Explain. Whatever you understood, explain.
Ma'am, here the arrangement of petals or sepals is arranged along the margin.
Yes, excellent. Along the margin. This is the main words, right? Chaliye, next, second type of estivation. Who will explain? Sakshi.
Ma'am, second is twisted estimation.
Hmm.
In that
Bolo, correct.
one end is outer side and the other end is inner side. The one end is overlapped and the other end is overlapping.
And pattern remains so on, followed by the others also, right? That's we call twisted. Excellent. Chaliye. Third type of estivation. Third type of estivation. Who will explain? Kirtan.
Ma'am, third type of estivation is imprecate.
Hmm.
Here, one petal is outside, one is inner,
One
and
petal
the
or sepal. One petal
sepal
or sepal.
or
Both.
sepal.
Hmm.
One petal or sepal is outside, the
Hmm.
other one is inside, uh,
Hmm.
inside, and the remaining three are twisted.
Good. Very good. चलिए fourth. Who will explain? Fourth one. बोलिए अर्पिता.
Ma'am, fourth is cunical.
Quincuncial. Quincuncial. Okay, pronunciation learn कर लेना. Quincuncial type of estivation. Now tell me what is.
In its sepals or petals
Hmm.
are arranged in one, two end are of outer side and two end is of inner side and one is twisted.
Yes, two are outer, two are inner, and one twisted. Very good. चलिए fifth, vexillary. Who will explain vexillary estivation? Zeal, बोलो.
Yes,
Mic
ma'am.
perfect रहता है. चलो start.
Yes, ma'am. It is it has five petals.
Hmm.
Two is outer side. Yeah, two is inner side, and two at the end, which were united.
Two
And
outer,
it is
two inner, two. So total 6 हो गए. Here only 5 petals are there. Tell me, largest petal we call.
largest petal knee.
आपने लिखा, मैंने जो बोला नोट डाउन किया.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो क्या लिखा है आपने. लार्जेस्ट पेटल वी कॉल.
Largest petal we call vexillary. Second, wings or
Vexillum.
vexillum,
Vexillum,
wings
not
or
wings or LA. And third one is
and third one is knee.
kneel नहीं, keel.
Yes.
Okay, third one is the which
Okay.
one? Keel. Right? So total 5 petals are there. This is the outer, largest, posterior. This one is a lateral, LA. And this one is a anterior, keel. Observed in which family? जिल लिखा आपने. Observed in which family? बोलो.
Folly.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
Right? क्या है pronunciation? Fabaceae. Good. Now we are going to see now the examples. Before that, okay, I'll show you some pic. You have to tell me in that what type of estivation is there. Tell you. Carefully observe this flower. ये open flower है, but clearly observe. You can clearly make out what type of estivation is there. बोलिए जिल.
Third one.
Third one नहीं. Which one? नाम बोलो.
Twisted one.
Twisted. Okay. Arpita.
Valvate.
Valvate. Sakshi.
Twisted.
Kirtan.
Ma'am, twisted.
Twisted. Right? See, अर्पिता, आपको यहाँ पे ये ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है कि ये यहाँ पे एक पेटल है, उसका मार्जिन दिख रहा है थिन. दिस वन देखो. कैन यू मेक आउट अर्पिता?
Yes.
राइट. सो इसका वन एंड आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है, बट अदर एंड जो है वो ये पेटल के बैक साइड पे है. यस और नो?
Yes.
राइट. सो वन एंड इज इनर, अदर इज आउटर. आप देखो सभी में सेम पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. कैन यू मेक आउट दिस थिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
So now tell me what type of estivation?
Twisted.
Twisted. Correct. Next. See, this is the pea flower. Right? देखो ये largest This one is the vexillum standard. फिर यहाँ पे दो एले होंगे एंड एले के यहाँ पे नीचे आपको मिलेंगे कील. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे आपको जो पेटल्स दिख रहे हैं, राइट, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट. यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है एक्चुअली. बोलो कीर्तन.
मैम वैलेट.
वाल्वेट.
वाल्वे.
वाल्वेट. ओके. जिया.
मैम imbricate.
इम्ब्रिकेट. जिल.
Violet.
साक्षी.
Ma'am, imbricate.
Imbricate. Now see over here that कीर्तन देखो, ये आपको ये पेटल दिख रहा है. So this petal both actually over here one petal is there, over here one petal is there, right? So this one become totally outer, their ends become totally outer, yes or no, right? फिर ये वाला पेटल ऑब्जर्व करो, this one. यहाँ पे उसका एंड ईयर inner and we can clearly make out. This one is also, so this end become inner. Correct? Am I correct? Yes or no? Right? Chaliye. Next, can you make out over here this petals and on back side totally? दिख रहा है आपको ऐसा? Right? So this one is again back side, means totally outer side. Now again this petal, observe this one. इसके ends कैसे होंगे? Outer, inner, which one? कीर्तन.
मैम इनर.
Inner, right? And last one, okay, over here, this one, ये यहाँ पे clear नहीं है, that's why I told you it's difficult. This one is in twisted manner actually. So 2 outer, 2 inner plus 1 twisted. That shows what type of estivation? Shubh.
मैम एक डाउट है.
पहले आंसर बोलो. जी हाँ.
मैं वो लास्ट वाला पर आउटर था ना, इनर थोड़ी था.
जी हाँ, आंसर बोलो पहले आप.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
outer, 2 inner.
Quincunitial.
Quincuntial, right? That we call the quincuntial. See, Shubh, I told you that जो overlapped one है, in this picture, it's difficult to identify. But outer, inner, two जो थे वो clearly observed है. So on the basis of that, you can clearly tell that that's a quincuntial type of estivation. Same it will end soon, rejoin. Right? Then next,